Hi there, welcome to Sudhakar Art and Photography. Honestly, today's video has nothing to do with art or photography, but while I was trying to create a video file from OpenShot, I noticed this error. It says error while writing raw video frame. So I couldn't figure out what really happened. Initially, I thought it's a problem with OpenShot, and I did a little bit of investigation and I found that it was actually a disk space issue within my PC. So let me show you how this can be fixed. So you can see the error message here, and it shows up as a message in a pop-up box, and that's where you get stuck up. The recording, the creation of the file stops there, and there's nothing you can do about it. So I did a bit of search to find out from the internet what the problem was. I just noticed a stray comment which said that it could be a disk space issue. So what I did is to go about deleting all the files that were not required, and then making sure that I had enough disk space. Basically, my hard disk has been divided into C colon and E colon, and I found that C colon was full and there was no space, and all the recording from OpenShot was being saved into C colon. So the first thing I did was to go about removing all the unnecessary files and taking backup of the files that I needed into a separate hard disk, and made sure that I created enough space, and that's what you see me doing there. When we use the PC on a regular basis, we don't realize how much of disk space we actually use up. So it's important to keep checking and making sure you have adequate space, particularly when you are creating YouTube videos. These videos do take up a lot of space. So just do a bit of cleanup and make sure that you have enough space in your hard disk. Yeah, that's almost all done now. Now that I've created enough space in the hard disk, I'm going to restart that process and click the button to create that video file. So I'm here going back to the file, and I create the video by using web format and YouTube HD as my options, and then click OK. And the process of creating the video file has just started, and as you can see, it's going through. The process is complete. It's quite fast actually compared to my earlier attempts, and there you have the file created. I'm going to just check if everything is okay before I load it into YouTube and publish it. So there you see the file. It's looking good. It's a time-lapse video of my watercolor painting. I don't see any problems there. Seems to be going well. Yeah, it's all good now, and I think the problem is solved. So if you find that you're faced with that error message, please go about making enough disk space and restart the entire process, and your problem should be solved. If you liked my video, please do subscribe, like and share, and if you have comments, please add them. Thank you for watching. Bye.